Dear student, in this video we are going to compare the absolute values type of questions. So the heading is compare using less than symbol, greater than symbol or equal to symbol. So the first part is model absolute value of 3 and absolute value of minus 3. As we know, the absolute value of any integer is its numerical value irrespective of its sign. Therefore, absolute value of 3 is 3 and absolute value of minus 3 is also 3. Therefore, these are equal, so I will write equal symbol. Now, on second part, here mod absolute value of minus 8 and minus negative of absolute value of 8. So first we will find the absolute value of minus 8, that is its numerical value, and this is minus symbol, and absolute value of 8 is only 8. Now, so this is 8 and this is minus 8 when we solve the bracket, and 8 and minus 8. Here this is plus 8, this is minus 8. Then which is greater? Plus 8 is greater. So I will use the greater symbol for plus 8. Now negative of absolute value of minus 9. So I will write minus symbol, and what is the absolute value of negative 9? That is 9. Minus of minus 9, that is plus 9. As we know, negative of a negative integer is positive. Therefore, this is minus 9 and this is plus 9. So, which is greater? Plus 9 is greater. Now, cost part 4. Absolute value of negative 2 is 2 and minus, and absolute value of minus 2 is only 2. So 2, this is 2 and this is minus 2. So which is greater? This one is greater. So in this way we have learned how to compare the questions regarding absolute value, where the comparison is being given to be done. Now we can write the answer. Mod of 3 is equal to mod of minus 3. Now here the answer is absolute value of minus 8 is greater than minus of absolute value 8. And here we can write this, and this mod of minus 2 is greater than negative of mod of minus 2. So you can see we have solved all the questions regarding comparison.